Hello, my name is Shane Scranton. I am the CEO of IrisVR, and we are building software to take 3D files and translate them into virtual reality, and to ultimately create an editing and viewing and collaboration tool for virtual reality. So our software is tailored for the AEC industry, that's architecture, engineering, and construction. And we found that this industry is really ready, right? They're always working with space and ways to build space, ways to interact with space, and bringing stakeholders around a table to get things built. And current methods of viewing three-dimensional space is really limited to the computer screen or to a printout or to an animation. And what VR does is creates a true sense of scale and immersion in that space, which gets people very excited and gets them sort of a deeper understanding of that space. So fundamentally, we're working on a way to make 3D better and to create that interface that's new and engaging. So we're going to do this with a downloadable app. It's going to be available on our website. It'll run locally on your machine so that you can use all of your computer's hardware. And we're going to sell this to professionals by doing a lot of inbound marketing and being really loud at trade shows and getting the goggles actually on people. We found that people are already Googling how they can get their files into virtual reality, and we want to be positioned there so that they actually can. We've had a lot of traction so far. In the winter and in last spring, we pretty much traveled all around the country and showed the Oculus Rift to architects and engineers, and there was a resounding, how do we get this? We have 3 clients that don't understand space, and they want it now. So how do we get this? And so we, around the summer, started a consulting business model where firms could approach us, they'd send us their 3D files, we'd process them in-house and send them back. And then that led us into the fall where now we have proof of concept, we understand what's needed and what feature sets needed in the architectural workflow, where we can actually create this downloadable app. Ultimately, we want to support more than just professionals. We want to have a consumer business model as well. So we'll have 2 pricing tiers, and these are going to be subscription suites of software, and it'll cater to both the consumer demographic as well as the high-end professionals that need a bunch of metadata and ways to access all these complex files. We're raising $1.5 million right now, and what this will do is allow us to get our beta into prime time. It'll allow us to support massive files, and it'll allow us to do it consistently. So we're excited to see where this company is going, and ultimately, we'd like to create the next platform for viewing 3D models in virtual reality.